Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best super automatic espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best super automatic espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which super automatic espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1, Gaggia Brera, Best Specialty Coffee Machine. The Gaggia Brera's compact design and ease of use have made it a venerable addition to their lineup. Compared to other machines under $500, the Brera boasts considerable aesthetic and functional superiority. The Brera brews with 15-bar pump in a stainless steel boiler. Depending on your preferences, the Brera allows you to use either whole beans or pre-ground coffee thanks to its bypass doser. You can also adjust the volume, strength, and aroma of each shot that you pull to match your personal preferences. For frothing, the Brera makes use of both rapid steam technology and the innovative Panarello-style steam wand to produce perfectly textured milk with ease. Depending on the size of your frothing pitcher, the steam wand can be adjusted to allow for greater clearance. Number 2, Philips 3200, LatteGo, Best Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The Philips line of super automatic espresso machines combines quality coffee with ease of use and simple maintenance. Each machine in the Philips line hits a great combination of price point and features. You get all-in-one coffee making from a built-in grinder, brew unit, and milk frothing options. These machines also offer easy maintenance with their AquaClean filtration. Further enhancing the capabilities of these machines are the models that include the LatteGo milk steaming system. This carafe-based steam system produces delicious lattes and cappuccinos with easy cleaning and impressive texture. The existing parts of the 3200 LatteGo iced coffee are very much the same as what you'd expect from the 3200. You still get simple operation, the carafe-based LatteGo milk steaming, and AquaClean water filtration. The only thing missing from the base machine is the Americano button. The reason this was removed is because that is where Philips has added the iced coffee option. Number 3, Jura Z10. The Jura Z10 is both a powerful and premium-looking coffee machine, but it's pretty pricey. It offers brilliant smart features and a choice of 32 high-quality coffee specialties you can customize to your exact taste. From cold brews for iced latte fans to deep, rich espressos with a magnificent layer of crema. It does have a few quirks in its operation and maintenance that can make it a little fiddly to use. And the Jura Z10 is a versatile bean-to-cup coffee machine from Swiss manufacturer Jura. It comes with the precision and power to grind beans, extract coffee, and froth milk, resulting in the perfect cup of coffee every time. Once you've got the knack for its settings, that is. If you're wanting barista-grade coffee at home without having to invest in professional kit, then the best bean-to-cup coffee machines will be more than sufficient for your needs. Models such as the Jura Z10 are more complex when it comes to maintenance and may offer too much customization, but the Z10 does come with some seriously smart features alongside excellent performance that make it all worth it. Number 4, DeLonghi Dinamica Plus Best Super Automatic Espresso Machines. The DeLonghi Dinamica Plus quickly started garnering rave reviews in the United States. It's easy to see why. The original Dinamica performed admirably, but just felt kind of old-fashioned and clunky. And the 3.5-inch, 9-centimeter, touchscreen display on the DeLonghi Dinamica Plus automatic espresso machine was designed to create an intuitive user experience that's like using the screen on a smartphone. Overall, it's a significant improvement over the text screen on the DeLonghi Dinamica. And the DeLonghi Dinamica Plus has 5 strength levels presented as a bean scale. Number 5, DeLonghi Eletta Explore, Best Bean-to-Cup Machine. The DeLonghi Eletta Explore is an accomplished bean-to-cup coffee machine that's perfect for coffee lovers who don't have the time to maintain an espresso machine. Plus, it can make both hot and cold beverages and comes with everything you might need for a fully operational caffeination station. However, some of the design elements are a little underbaked, and DeLonghi Eletta Explore manages to pack in a lot of features and functionalities without eating up too much counter space, provided you've got fairly deep counters. Number 6, Miele CM7750, best countertop coffee machine. The Miele CM7750 features the distinctive design aesthetic for which the manufacturer is known. There isn't another automatic coffee maker that looks quite like a Miele, and the obsidian black finish lends the machine a refined and streamlined appearance. I happen to love the way Miele coffee makers look. Plus, during my Miele CM7750 review, I was particularly impressed by the machine's high-quality construction. There's plenty of stainless steel in evidence, including the drip tray and dispensing spout. What's more, the rugged housing appears to be pretty much indestructible, and you're considering dropping a serious chunk of cash on a coffee maker. With that in mind, you'll be hoping for an impressive array of features to justify your investment. Number 7. Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe, best fully automatic espresso. For a lot of people, making espresso beverages at home can be intimidating. When you have to learn about terms like dialing in, tamping, and microfoam, it can be overwhelming to get started. That's what makes the Bosch fully automatic espresso machine so appealing. There's no learning curve required. Users just have to select their beverage of choice from the touchscreen, adjust details like size and strength options, and press Start. The machine even grinds the beans and froths the milk for you, so you don't have to learn how to tinker with a steam wand. While users still need to empty the drip tray and discard the spent grounds, the machine will notify you when it's time. There's very little upkeep associated with using this espresso maker. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen is a joy to use and delightfully user-friendly. It was easy to get started exploring different drink varieties, and many options also offer helpful descriptions of the drinks you may be less familiar with, like café con leche, coffee verkeerd. Number 8. Jura Giga 10, best super automatic espresso machines. The Jura Giga 10 coffee maker was only available in Europe. However, it was finally released in the United States in 2023. Fortunately, I've been able to get hold of one to play with. Lucky me. Why the gap in availability, you ask? I wondered about that too. Perhaps supply chain issues? Whatever the case, it just didn't seem fair. My guess is that Jura was waiting to see if the North American market was ready for such a large and in-charge, fully automatic espresso machine. Not to mention its hefty price tag. This puppy costs $5,499 at the time of writing. Despite the price, Jura lists the Giga 10 as a home coffee machine. Still, for most of us, I'm sure it's a little more cost-prohibitive than, say, a Philips 3200. But if you're serious about your coffee and have a bank account to match, a Giga 10 will look amazing in your kitchen. Plus, it'll make all your coffee-loving friends green with envy. First off, let's talk about colors.